Hi guys, so today it's actually going to be a video smoothie. Will be on Facebook and YouTube, but my video live for Facebook will actually be a video. So this is today, but I wanted to do a video because I've got so many things to share with you guys today, and I thought this might be a little bit easier and quicker, but I still wanted to go through everything. So I've got a new green smoothie that I'm starting to do that's really helping my skin, just really keeping it glowing, keeping it fresh, and a lot of that is to do with any fruits and vegetables that have a detox property to them, like lemon and ginger. I have my ginger and I cannot find it anywhere. I've looked at the kitchen everywhere, I can't find it, but do put ginger in if you are going to follow along and look at this back. So do put hashtag replay. I couldn't find fresh mango, so I've gotten some mango. So today we're going to be using mango, a really high source of vitamin C as well. Cucumber, we've got half a cucumber. I've gotten some kiwi because I'm going to peel this in a moment, because I'm somebody who wouldn't naturally eat kiwi, but they have so many good properties. They're detox, huge high in vitamin C and A, and they're just so good for you. So that'll be going in the blender. I've got my spinach, baby spinach as well, and I'm actually today, along with everything else, I'm going to be popping in one of my vegetable capsules just to give me that extra healthy kind of kick. So these are the Juice Plus capsules. You can actually just pull them apart and pop them into your smoothie. They've got 30 fruits and vegetables in each one, and this is the vegetable one I'm going to be doing. And for fruits, I'm going to have banana, apple. We possibly have an orange, but I'll see how we go. And we don't want to overload in our vitamin C, or maybe we can. And I'm also going to be using some coconut water as well. So we're going to get started. So the first thing I always do is I pop in the things that are really kind of the big ones. So I'm going to be chopping up some spinach here with you. I'm just really excited to get on this kick. Who else wants to get on a kind of a health kick? I know for, getting into summer already, I'm thinking about summer. I'm thinking about my energy levels. Being with the children in the afternoon, has really helped with my capsules. I don't think I say enough about the capsules, actually, the Juice Plus capsules, because they're just so, just for the body and the mind. They really do help you. They help your mental health. So all I'm going to do is chop up some of the spinach here, baby spinach. Any spinach you can get your hands on, really, but I particularly used baby spinach, really. And I couldn't find mango fresh today, so I have gotten just the Sainsbury's 800 gram, one of your 5 a day mango, so I'll be putting that in today as well. But if you can get a fresh mango, do. So yes, I'm going to so you would be getting like a handful maybe of spinach, depends who you're making it for too. So if you do, I've got my blender here, if you do have a family, this is kid friendly as well. Even if you're thinking about are the capsules kid friendly, we have actually got like gummy versions for children as well, so they are definitely friendly for children. So I'm going to pop all this spinach on top, and I'm going to be using coconut water today. The weather today is really bad. We're supposed to be getting another storm. Is it Storm Franklin? I think we need a break from storms. Okay, so I'm just here. If you see me off to the side here, I'm just popping in my spinach. Okay, so now we're going to pop in the easier one as well. I'm just going to pop in a banana quickly. I'm going to pop in the cucumber after that as well. So cucumber is made of 99% water. So adding that cucumber in too, as well as in salads and things like that, is amazing. So again, I do have ginger in the house, and I will find it. The electricity went there shortly, guys, for a minute. Okay, hoping it comes back on. But my other lights are on, the rest of the electricity went. Okay. These things seem to happen to me on videos. Last week when I was doing the princess strawberry shake, what actually happened was halfway through, my previous blender just gave up completely, blew up. I had to come off really quick. Let me just check here quickly that everything's okay. I'll just pause for a moment. Okay, so I'm back. So it did go for a little while, the electricity, but it's back. So we're back again. So yes, so I'm cutting up an apple here at the minute. Apples are always something really great just to add in. Most people eat them anyway, but it's nice to have one in just for extra vitamins. They have a lot of vitamin D as well, actually. So I'm just chopping up an apple. It doesn't really matter any kind you like. I'm just using these ones here. The weather is quite bad, so I don't know if we're going to get through this today. I'm hoping we will. So I'm popping this apple in, and we're just going to try and chop it down as much as we can for the blender. And the kind of the added bonus with the video is that you don't have to hear the blender in the background, basically, is what I was kind of hoping as well. So yes, let's just chop up the last of that apple. And what I might do is blend it bit by bit. So if I just pop this in now, I'll pop it on, I'll pause the video here and then I'll come back. So that's just to give you an idea of what it's looking like so far. We are getting a lot out of it. We haven't put the lemon or the celery in yet, and that's one of the last things we're going to do. But I've put a lot of coconut water in, so it is going to taste nice, especially if you've got kids. They'll really like it. Okay guys, so I've done half of the blending now. So the next thing we're going to move on to is the mango. And mango is amazing. It does have a lot of vitamins, so it has vitamin E, it has vitamin A and D. There is a little bit of a taste to it. You either like it or you don't. I do personally like it. I add it into salads, but you can also chop it up and pop it into a smoothie. So this is what I'm doing now. This is 800 grams. So we're just going to open. I've just blended up the spinach and the apple. I'm going to pop in a lemon in a minute. It really is a really nice kind of mixture, because the lemon, obviously spinach can be a different taste to some people. The lemon is quite bitter, so if you're putting in things like mango, the cucumber will water down the taste of anything, especially ginger. So yes, if you do have ginger, definitely pop it in. I'm popping that in now, so that's that. So I'm now going to, that was a bit unusual guys, electricity went and it's back, so maybe we're getting more of a storm than I realized. So yes, so now we're just going to put in the cucumber. I'm going to blend it up again. I'm doing it bit by bit just so my blender doesn't get overloaded, and then I'll probably have enough for 2, but you could continue if you wanted to add in more, like 2-3 cucumbers depending on your family. You could do that. I think I'll, for today, probably get about 2 drinks out of this, which is good, 2 or 3 maybe. So yes, and it's children friendly, which is great, and it tastes good, so they're not gonna not like it. So this, and then I'm just gonna pop in the cucumber now that I've chopped it all up, and we're gonna do another blend quickly. It is quite loud, so I didn't want to deafen you guys. Let's put this in here. Okay. So we're back, so now we're just going to pop in the lemon and the celery, and celery has a lot of water in it too. I just get the sticks just so I don't waste too much. I used to get the whole thing itself, but I always found that I wasted stuff, so now I just get these, which are really good. All of my ingredients I got in Sainsbury's. I do have spirulina that I'm going to find and put in too. That's really good for you too. And again, I will stress, if you have ginger, pop it in, because it's a really good detox. So it burns, if you're looking to lose weight, it burns fat. So and it also detoxes your entire body, which is great. So let's put that in. And especially if you're trying to just, you know, if you skip breakfast, this is great, because you know you have all the fruits and veg. I'm actually adding in my Juice Plus, which is 30 extra fruits and vegetables that go into every Juice Plus capsule. So you really are doing the best for your body you can. And I think the first thing I got on Juice Plus was the berry capsules for my skin, which were amazing, and the shakes to kind of, you know, control and set new goals with my weight and things like that, which was amazing. So yeah, I definitely message me guys. We're having an amazing special. We've got 3 bundles at the minute, and I would highly recommend contacting me about those, because I mean I have been on their products for 3 years and I would not go back. I really wouldn't. So yes, I'm just going to finish peeling this, and then we're going to pop the celery in. Okay guys, so I've just chopped in some pineapple, only because I forgot to mention it's one of the main ingredients that I'm doing with this It's great for eye visibility, it's great for oral health, it's great for skin. It's also said to improve certain conditions like skin, skin and hair and nails. So I've always put that in. Also, it's great for if you've put in some serious detox ingredients like ginger, lemon. It does really, like the mango, it does sweeten up the taste. So I've already chopped that and put it in. So the very last thing we're going to pop in today is the capsule from Juice Plus. So if you're somebody, that's the other thing, is if you're someone that doesn't like taking big capsules or can't for any reason, these do pop open, and they pop open here, and then obviously the ground down vegetables come out. So I'm going to take this apart quickly and pop it in there, and I'll show you afterwards. So you make sure it's all the ingredients are in there, and you can do this with all of them, the fruits, the veg, the blueberries. And you've got your empty capsule, here, and you've got all your you've got 30 kinds of vegetables in there as well as everything else. So I'm going to blend this one more time and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so it's finished and here it is. There's a lot made actually. I could probably get at least 4 drinks out of this today, which is great because I'm going to be doing my workouts. I'm going to be doing yoga today. It's just, you know, it's going to really didn't realize how much, and they were only half of the ingredients, so it does make a lot, guys. It depends on what kind of blender you have. This is my new blender because I wanted to get something that I could make soups with, something that I could kind of do meals with as well. So yes, I'm going to pop this into the glass quickly and enjoy and taste it with you guys. I would highly recommend the fruit and veg capsules too, to pop into smoothies because you get so many nutrients. They're just, you know, they strengthen your nails, they'll strengthen your health in general. Whoever gets to intake that every single day, so you will be taking 2 of those every day, which is what I do. I do the fruits and the berries and the omegas as a set, and my hair, my nails and my skin have really benefited, but also my health, you know, my general health has really helped. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pop it into my glass here. This is the first time I've used this today. Let's go. Okay, so I did put a lot of there you go. Okay, now let's pour this in. Okay, it smells amazing, firstly, and this is what it looks like. Here we are. Let's taste. It's amazing. It's like the sweetness of the pineapple and the mango. You wouldn't even realize there was kiwi or lemon in this at all. Absolutely amazing, guys. Would highly recommend this. It tastes like Lilt, if you remember Lilt. It tastes, you know, that real sweetness, but it doesn't overpower. But I think that has to do a lot of the fact that I put coconut water in there too. But too tasty, but very, very good. I really do hope you try it, guys. I'd highly recommended it. I wanted to try it with you guys because this ingredients together, I haven't done before. I will stress, if you have ginger, put it in because it's an amazing detox. I have ginger somewhere behind me in one of those cupboards and I can't for the life of me remember where it is. I've searched. I know I'll find it this afternoon when I'm doing dinner or something, but do put ginger in. But this is absolutely amazing, seriously, guys. And again, don't forget, I've just put in a vegetable capsule that has 30 vegetables in there. So yes. Okay, so I would highly recommend it. I really do hope you do try it. I would really recommend it, guys. It tastes amazing. Your kids would love it. That's the other great thing. Think about all we've put in there. Your children would love it. Good for their bones, health, you know, concentration too. When you're feeling better on yourself, they can concentrate in school. You can concentrate at home or in work. The pineapple, I have to say, has really helped kind of distill that full lemon that I put in, but I wanted to put in a full lemon because it's such a good detox as well. So it kind of works similar ways to do a ginger, where it will detox your body, but in different ways. So if you do have ginger, I will stress, pop that into, I pop it into every smoothie I have, really. So yeah, so that's it. I really enjoyed making it. I hope you do try it. It's absolutely delicious. Great for post-workout breakfast. You can have it for breakfast. I've got some amazing products to show you after this that Juice Plus have called Perform, which I've just gotten, and that's post workout. So this, I would say this is a pre-workout or a breakfast on the go, seriously. And again, it's friendly to anyone. It's not going to kind of, if you have health issues, other than if you have an allergy, I'll say, to anything, obviously don't use it. But I would say, you know, it wouldn't affect you if you didn't have an allergy. If you have something else, I think you'd be absolutely fine. I think it would really help you. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll pop it on Facebook and on YouTube today. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.